Previously on 10,000 checkouts.
I was committed to getting this compared.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sneakers Love Me. I'm coming to you with an unboxing. This is Jordan 11 Jubilee. I copped 3 in the last episode. 2 came in the mail today. I don't really want to wait in the third. I just want to get these open and listed so the price doesn't plummet on me. So here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. These hard. You actually. Let me show it to you. You see that? See that? You see your own reflection? You see your reflection? Like, it's crazy. It's clean. So what happened there is foot sites are constantly changing their bot protection, their bot security. So I ran full ISPs. I felt like the faster the better, but that wasn't the name of the game for that specific drop. People that hit were mostly using residentials, either somebody's 2.0 or premium residential pool, and a couple people in my cook group were using ISPs. They were the same brand, but sometimes that's just how it goes. You just don't get lucky. And I wasn't lucky in this case. But it is what it is. I'm not really tripping. As you can see, my environment changed. I'm in school now. So I'm staying in school and grinding while still trying to grind out videos to y'all and do what I have to do. I apologize for this video being so brief, but that's just what I have right now. Although for next episode, I have some packages coming in. I got a surprise for y'all. I hope I got a good deal from some good people, and I'll be able to let y'all know what's going on and how I'm doing in these 10,000 checkouts, these 10,000 hours. I'm trying to master reselling. So, appreciate you for tuning in. It's your boy Sneakers Love Me. Like and subscribe, share this video, and I'm out. Peace.